Your Wi-Fi might be slow, unstable, or randomly dropping signal, and the reason could be hiding right inside your home. Not your internet plan, not your router, but everyday objects around you that quietly block or interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Most people never realize this, so they keep upgrading their internet or buying new routers, when the real problem is placement and interference. In this video, I'll show you common household items that silently weaken your Wi-Fi and simple fixes you can apply right now. Let's start with the first one: thick walls and concrete. Wi-Fi signals are radio waves, and they struggle to pass through solid materials. Concrete walls, brick walls, and especially reinforced concrete with metal inside can seriously weaken your signal. If your router is placed behind multiple walls, the signal strength drops fast, even if your internet speed is high. That's why Wi-Fi often feels slow in bedrooms or rooms far from the router. Next, metal objects. Metal is one of the biggest enemies of Wi-Fi signals. Things like metal cabinets, shelves, mirrors, filing cabinets, and even refrigerators can block or reflect signals. Mirrors are especially tricky because they often contain a thin metal layer that reflects Wi-Fi waves away from where you actually need them. Now let's talk about electronic devices. Microwaves, TVs, Bluetooth speakers, baby monitors, and cordless phones can interfere with Wi-Fi, especially if they're close to your router. Microwaves are a big one because they use a similar frequency to Wi-Fi. If your router is near a microwave, you might notice slower speeds or signal drops when the microwave is running. Another very common mistake is placing the router inside furniture. Many people hide their router inside cabinets, drawers, or behind the TV to keep things looking clean. But doing this traps the signal and limits its range. Wi-Fi works best when it can spread freely in all directions. So what's the solution? First, place your router in an open and elevated area, like on a shelf or mounted on a wall. Second, keep it away from large metal objects and other electronics. Third, try to position it closer to the center of your home, not tucked away in a corner. Also, make sure there's a clear line of space between your router and the areas where you use Wi-Fi the most. After making these changes, restart your router and test your connection again. Many people notice better speed, stronger signal, and fewer dropouts without buying anything new. Small changes can make a big difference. If you want more simple tech fixes that actually work, check out other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.